Hello. My name is Oleg. I'm the founder of Seller Assistant, and today I'm hosting Seller Assistant office hours by Mondays, and I'm going to talk about what's new at Seller Assistant. Recently, we released some useful updates to our price list analyzer, and I'm going to talk about it today and show what we have shipped and how it helps you to run your Amazon wholesale business. So let's start. And this is our release note where you can see that we have added selling price calculation um, models. And now, recently, when you upload the price list, we used current buy box price to calculate the profitability of the product. But we also added 30, 90, and 180 days average buy box prices to calculate, like to make your price analysis more stable. And to do so, you need to go to price list analyzer, and when you click upload, you will be able to choose to click settings right here. By the way, this is another feature. We added a settings button here, and how it works. At Seller Assistant, you have a cost settings, which is global cost settings for your price list analyzer, where you can set your expenses for FBA logistics, like prep cost, hazmat surplus, VAT settings, VAT settings, and additional expenses. And here you also can choose your buy box, your price calculation method. If you use average buy box price for 90 days, the pricing slider will use this average price to calculate your profitability. But also, like, this is the global settings of the tool. But also, it can be, you can apply and you can override these settings by applying individual settings to each price list you're analyzing. To do so, you click when you click upload button, you can go to settings and choose um, your settings right here. These settings will be applied to this specific price list analyzer, price list. So let's choose like average buy box price, for example, and then we close it and choose our price list, upload it, select supplier, and that's it. Oh, also you need to set your map your fields, product name and product code, and that's it. The price list went to analysis. So what's next? As I show you, we can choose and override your settings for a specific price list, but also we can now edit your price list and do inline recalculations. Once your price list has analyzed, you can open it right here and apply some settings. For example, if you found that product set sold in sets on Amazon and package quantity is 2, you can set to change product quantity to 2, and the price profit will be recalculated. Also, you can set some notes right here. If you set notes with price list analyzer right here, no buy box. Once you set it, each time you open and see this ASIN with Seller Assistant, for example, on like each time you open it, you will see these notes. For example, if you open it with Price List Analyzer tool, or like if you open it with Seller Assistant tool, you will see the notes right here. And if you set some notes here, they also will shown right here in the Price List Analyzer. So notes now global, and they connected to product agent and sync between tools, which is very convenient. And one more thing, if you decided to update your settings somehow, and for example you set wrong numbers for your prep center, or you decided you need to add some settings for prep center, like let's say it costs you 1.2 per item, you click save, and all the price list is going for recalculation, and numbers will be recalculated, and you will be able to download new spreadsheets with new numbers, which is very convenient if you need to update some costs in bulk. I think this is it for now. By the way, if you change some numbers using inline edit, for example, you set package quantity for like somewhere and want to reset them to original numbers right here, you just click button and the numbers will be set to default one. It's useful is if you need to recalculate your cost. For example, you negotiate discount for a specific item from your price list, and let's say they sell it for 150, for example, and you can set the price, do some calculations, and then if needed you can reset to original costs. So what's next? Next, we're going to release a Keepa graph right in the price list analyzer, and also text tags on the way. So next features will be released is Keepa graph, tags, and also we're going to add some inline edits and set calculations. This is our plans for next months. I hope we will be able to build best price list analyzer feature, and if you use it and want to get some improvement or you have some suggestions, feel free to text our support team or leave a comment, and we will improve it somehow. So all feedbacks are appreciated. This is it for today, and see you next time, next Monday in the same time. Have a good day. Bye.